channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Kayla. So for today I will be recreating this gorgeous look that I have created here. Honestly, you guys, it's probably been so long that I have not done like a bold eyeshadow look. So for today's makeup look, I went ahead and indulged myself into the Juvia's Place Culture palette. You guys, this is such a beautiful eyeshadow makeup palette, and inside you have a bunch of beautiful shimmering shades. You have some mattes. The colors that's in this palette right here, you guys, is so captivating. The colors are really rich and creamy. You guys can pretty much tell from my eyeshadow look that I have going on right now. I also wanted to do something like really fun and spring vibe, and yeah, I think this look turned out really well. If you guys do want to see how I achieved this look, then definitely keep on watching. Alright y'all, so I already went ahead and moisturized my face with the Pond's Clearant B3 Moisturizing Lotion. And I don't apply primer, especially because I'm not going anywhere right now. I'm literally just doing a makeup look for you guys. So I'm not going to apply any primer, just a moisturizer, and that is pretty much it. I am a little sick right now, so my voice, I'm kind of like talking through my nose. I'm hearing myself, and I know. So yeah. To start, I usually start off with my eyebrows. I'm using a liner by ColourPop. This is a lip liner, so I usually just go in with like a light brown pencil just to fill them in, and that's what I'm going to do right now. And then I'm going to take my Juvia's Place concealer, and we're just going to clean up my brow. And yeah, I know that my lace is looking a little crunchy right now, but we're not here for that. We're here for the makeup, so don't get distracted, okay? But no, I have been sick for like the past 4 days now, so I haven't really had time to like do my hair and none of that, and my lace has still been on. Remember I told y'all to get hip on the Maven lace spray, the one in the red bottle? Yeah, my lace has been on for like 5-6 days now. Has not moved. I've slept on it. I really haven't done my hair in like the past 4 or 5 days because I've been sick. So yeah, that's why my lace is looking like that. Spring is here, so I figured why not create a pretty spring look for you guys with this gorgeous palette that I got from Juvia's Place. Now this is their culture palette. In here there's a shade for literally every occasion, you guys. Whether you want to be bold, simple, just basic, or extremely dramatic, this should be your go-to palette. Like, these colors, you guys, are so beautiful. I don't think I've seen a palette as gorgeous as this one in a very long time, and usually I always complain about eyeshadow palettes because I feel like they're always like the same boring basic looking colors. So this one really surprised me. Like, it's very exciting, it's very pretty to look at. There's a bunch of different colors in there. So I'm gonna take a e.l.f. concealer, and this one is in like one of the lightest shades. So this one is in the shade Fair Warm, and I'm just going to use this to like brighten my eyes a little bit. Also, I don't use an eyeshadow primer. To me, it just doesn't do much for me, and I don't really care for it, to be honest. My sponge and blending this out. Just taking this brush, it does have some leftover like loose powder, my setting powder. And I'm just tapping it over my eyes. That way my shadows do not crease up or none of that. Also, you guys, I have not done an eyeshadow look in so long, so excuse me if I'm a little rusty. I'm just going to apply this like above my crease and blend it out. Oh, these shadows, you guys, are extremely pigmented, so I really like that. Off rip.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else, do me like you do. Your love, it goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. I'm chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode how we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really, really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. When I wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking.
And I've been liking more like of a cool tone blush shade lately, so I've been using the Treaty cheek powder by Maven Beauty.
These beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an episode how we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really, really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you.
This is so pretty. This is also a 3D cheek powder by Maven Beauty. This one is in the shade High Key. I like to use it as a highlighter because I feel like it just gives like that perfect glow. So as you guys can see right here, so gorgeous. And just dust it on your nose as well, right here. And yeah. Alright, so now that the face is completed, I'm going to take my Morphe Set and Mist and I'm just going to set my entire face with this. So for my waterline, I'm going to go in with this pretty purple shadow that comes with your palette. This one right here. And I'm just going to apply this directly into my waterline. Do you guys see how pigmented these shadows are? Oh my gosh, I am absolutely in love.
I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. Can't get away. On trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is an episode on replay. Sit right next to you. Try not to show.
Also for lashes, I'm going to be using my own. I'm going to be using the style Cat Eye, and I'm not going to do any wing liner. I'm just going to apply my lashes directly to my lids.
Yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around.
Now for lips, I'm going to take that same liner that I used to fill in my eyebrows and just outline my lips. Then I'm gonna go in with my lip gloss. These are launching on May 1st, so stay tuned for these. This one is in the shade Solar, and I'm just gonna apply this in the center. So pretty. And we are pretty much done for this look. I'm just gonna go comb my hair really quickly, put on a cute little top, and yeah, give you guys some cameo shots of this look. But this is pretty much the overall look. So gorgeous. My face looks absolutely filter perfect. Yeah, I think this look turned out really great. You guys, these shadows are so pigmented and they're not smudging. They're definitely smudge free. I did not need to apply any eyeshadow primers, and they're not creasing. The shadows are not transferring on one another at all. I love these. So pretty. This is pretty much how the look turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I was a little rusty, but I think I pulled together really well. What do you guys think? Comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Do I still have it? Let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel already, definitely hit that subscribe button. Also, if you have not purchased their palette, definitely get you one, okay? And yes, I will catch you guys in my next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, all of that, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye. You're watching Kayladeebookings.